2026 is officially the year where AI becomes the biggest income engine for everyone. Whether you are a freelancer, a student, a mother, or someone looking for a fresh start, AI tools now make it possible to earn money faster, smarter, and with zero technical background. Today, I'm going to walk you through 10 powerful ways to make money with AI in 2026. And for each method, I'll tell you exactly which AI tools to use and which platforms to earn from so you can start immediately. If you're serious about generating income in upcoming year, comment AI 2026 below and let's begin. One of the easiest ways to earn money right now is by offering AI powered content creation services. Tools like ChatGPT 5.1, Claude 3.5, Gemini Advanced, and Jasper AI let you write long form articles, emails, product descriptions, and social media captions in minutes. And once you have the content, you can earn by selling these services on Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and Freelancer. Many freelancers also use Surfer SEO or Neuron Writer to optimize the content and charge higher rates. Businesses are paying anywhere from $20 to $500 for content they need urgently, and AI helps you deliver it faster than anyone else. AI voice tools have exploded in 2026 with tools like 11 Labs, Play.ht, Meta Voicebox, and Resemble.ai. You can create professional level voiceovers without recording for hours. You can offer podcast introductions, YouTube narration, audiobook voiceovers, and other advertising voices. Clients are looking for AI generated or AI enhanced voices on platforms like voices.com, Fiverr, Upwork, and Amazon audiobook platforms. You can earn anywhere from $30 to $200 per 5-minute voiceover depending on the project. And since AI can handle tone, clarity, and retakes, you can deliver more projects every day. Video content is at its peak and AI is making it extremely easy. Tools like Pika Labs, Runway Generation 3, HeyGen AI, and Opus Clip let you create full videos or convert long videos into dozens of shorts. You can earn money on YouTube, TikTok Creativity Program, Facebook Reels, and even through short form video clients on Fiverr. Many YouTubers create faceless channels using 11 Labs for narration and ChatGPT for the script and then monetize through YouTube ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. This strategy alone creates full-time income for thousands of people worldwide. Designs no longer requires professional skills with AI tools like Midjourney V7, Doll E4, Canva AI, and Leonardo.ai. You can create posters, logos, stickers, t-shirt designs, and thumbnails within seconds. You can sell these designs on Etsy, Redbubble, Teespring, and Creative Fabrica. And if you want to work with clients directly, platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are full of people who need AI generated art for branding or content. One thumbnail made in 5 minutes can easily sell for $10 to $35. Businesses are begging for AI automation using tools like BotPress, ManyChat, ChatFuel, and Zapier AI, and you can create support boards, automated WhatsApp responders, and sales funnels. You can charge businesses by offering setup services on Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, and even through local Facebook businesses groups. A single chatbot setup can earn between $80 and $400 depending on complexity. And once the bot is created, it works for the client 24/7, which means high value recurring income for you. AI is now the secret weapon of top freelancers. Whether you offer editing, marketing, copywriting, or social media services, tools like Notion AI, Grammarly Go, Claude 3.5, and ChatGPT 5 help speed up your workflow. You can leverage this speed advantage on Fiverr, Upwork, Guru, and Legit, enabling you to take on more projects and raise your prices. Many freelancers quietly use tools like Sora and Runway to enhance their work and deliver ahead of deadlines, giving them 5-star reviews and repeated clients. You don't need to be a teacher to create an online course anymore. With tools like Gamma AI, Kajabi AI, Teachable AI, and Loom with AI editing, You can build full course quickly. You can earn by selling your courses on Udemy, Skillshare, Kajabi, and Gumroad. AI helps you create lesson plans, video scripts, quizzes, and marketing emails effortless. Teachers, fitness coaches, beauty experts, and tech beginners are all earning passive income this way. Affiliate marketing becomes much easier with AI. Tools like ChatGPT, WriteSonic, Surfer SEO, and TubeBuddy helps you create reviews, blogs, and videos that rank quickly. You can earn through platforms like Amazon Associates, Digistore24, Impact.com, ClickBank, and even JVZoo. AI tools help create thumbnails, content, and scripts, and your affiliate links generate income every single time someone buys through your content. You no longer need coding experience to develop apps. With no-code tools like Glide AI, Bubble AI, and Epipy, you can build productivity apps, educational apps, or business tools. And you can earn money on the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, through AdMob ads, and through monthly subscription models. AI lets you build apps that solve real problems and generate passive income. These 10 AI income methods are not predictions, they are happening right now in 2026. All you need is one tool, one idea, and one platform to comment below which method you want a full tutorial on, and I'll create a dedicated video for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI income guide.